La dee da. Everyone's going to be so excited to see me. I'm back. Did you miss me? Pick me. Sim me. Why isn't anybody knocking at me? What is going on? I am so confused. Oh, hi, Randy. Welcome back. How was Hawaii? Amazing. I saw lava. Mr. Wolf, can I get something from my locker? Okay. Hi, Penny. I hope the rats left me a gift. Hi, Randy. Hi. Did you bring your homework, Randy? Randy, did you bring your homework? Huh? What homework? Oh, look what I got for you, Mr. Wolf. Chocolate-covered macadamia nuts. Thanks. You're welcome. Wait, is this a bribe? Any more questions? I think that's enough for now. Thank you, Sampson. Let's give Sampson another round of applause. What did you think of my story, Mr. Wolf? Nice work. I loved it. I can't wait to read it again after you spend some time revising and intending it. The final draft, it's where it's at. Come back to your tasks, folks. But it's already done. Edits, revisions, final draft. Blah.